Those of you who drive should know that dashcam can save you a lot of trouble in various traffic accidents and can protect your own safety and interest. This premise is that the dashcam must be good enough to record all the details of what happened. This dashcam, 70mm Dashcam Pro Plus, after I have experienced it for a while, I think this dashcam is very close to my ideal dashcam. Maybe you guys don't know much about the brand 70My. They were founded in 2016 and specialize in smart car electronics products. They have their own R&D departments and factory with dashcams ranging from beginner models to premium 4K resolution with driver assistance model. They pay a lot of attention to product design. They have won IF and Red Dot awards. You may have heard of their best-selling dashcam, 70My Dashcam Pro, and the 70My Dashcam Pro Plus is its fully upgraded model. Here's the table so you can clearly see where exactly it's been upgraded. First, let's take a look at the unboxing. In addition to a front and rear dash camera, the package also includes some USB cables, a wiring crowbar, camera holder, dual USB car charger, and some stickers. If you buy the hardwire kit, you will also receive a pack of cables. It ensures power for the dashcam to continue operating while the car is parked. The front dashcam have a very simple design and the frosted surface feels great. There is only one 2-inch screen and 5 buttons on the back. The sides are DC in ports, AV in ports, and macro SD card slot. Both front and rear dashcam lens parts can be rotated close to 90 degrees. You can easily adjust the angle, so you don't have to care too much about the position when installing the dashcam. My ideal dashcam must take footages with a wide and clear field of view. 70My Dashcam Pro Plus uses a Sony sensor that supports 9044p recording, and with the 140 degrees ultra wide angle lens, it's no problem to meet my needs. And even when the sun is shining directly onto the dashcam, it's also able to ensure that the footage will not be affected by the sun to become too dark. The f1.8 aperture and 6p lenses ensure more light intake and stronger anti-glare capability. If you have the budget, you can also buy its rear camera. The rear camera is relatively ordinary, a 1080p 130 degrees wide angle camera, but considering that you only need to add about 20 bucks to get an additional rear camera that can access the front camera, I think it's worth it. And as you can see, the lens quality is also good, but it to protect your butt should be more than enough. I wouldn't call the 70My Dashcam Pro Plus close to perfect if it only did a great job of basic footage recording. It has all the features you can think of and is probably the most comprehensive dashcam I've ever seen. I'll pick a few things to talk about. Have you heard of ADAS? The full name is Advanced Driver Assistance Systems. The ADAS detects your surroundings and uses voice alerts to warn you of the safety problems. For example, if it recognizes vehicles ahead of you, it can measure the distance to prevent forward collisions.
Motion detected for the vehicle ahead.
Unlike the previous dashcam, you don't need to remove the macro SD card if you want to view footage on your computer or phone. It has a built-in Wi-Fi module that allows you to view footage directly on your phone, or you can download it. It also has a built-in GPS. You can also view your trip on the app, it's really convenient. The 70My Dashcam Pro Plus is also able to do 24 hours parking surveillance. It can keep monitoring when you are away, it can start recording when a collision is detected, it can also record time-lapse up to 45 hours on a 60GB SD card. However, all of the above features require you to purchase hardware kit and install it. We recommend watching this official demo video to see the installation process, and you need to pay attention to the car's battery to use these features. Too long without starting the car will lead to empty battery. The only regret I think is that the 70My Dashcam Pro Plus does not support voice control anymore. In the previous Dashcam Pro it had this function, but considering the unfrequent use, the absence of this feature is also acceptable. Why I think the 70My Dashcam Pro Plus is the almost perfect dashcam in my mind? Because it records clearly, it's easy to use, and it's important that even you buy all the accessories, it costs less than 100 bucks. Yes, we could find better dashcams than the 70My Dashcam Pro Plus if we wanted to, but at this price point, no one can beat it overall. Well, that's all we have to share for today. Remember to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment. I'm James, and I'll see you in the next one.